Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. This Cincinnati Tool Company clamp is missing the pad. One of you guys mentioned I should probably put a pad on it. And I thought, that would make a good project. So first thing I want to know is, just how big is this ball? Well, that's 0.465. 0.465 measures out to 1530 seconds on this little card. That's 4.4688. So it's a little bit bigger. So I took this 15-30 seconds drill and poked a hole in the end of this piece of steel. Let's see. Will this fit, or will I have to bore it out a little bit? Oh, perfect. This is an adjustable. An adjustable is a good clamp. Okay. Need to make it a little bigger. Although that pad would fit pretty well on here. Just the ball on the end of this adjustable is a little bit smaller. Just how wide is this pad? About 1 1/8 inches. Don't think I need to make the pad that big. This piece of stock is 1.25 inches. Well, it's not beautiful, but it stays on and sits flat. Looks like it's going to work. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.